Well, everyone, you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and use AirDrop on your Android phone. Now, there's a couple things to keep in mind here. The full-on AirDrop is only supported on the Google Pixel 10. It's going to be supported on other Android phones in the future, but if you are trying to get full-on AirDrop, unless Apple blocks it in the future, the main way to go ahead and do something similar to this, like airdropping between devices, is by going through and getting something like a Google Pixel 10. And then you can go through and grab that sort of, quick share feature where you're able to go through and share out, specific things like photos, videos, those types of things. So that's how to do it. You get into that panel, then you quick share it out. The other thing too, though, is if you're trying to go through and do a quick alternative to AirDrop, there's something called a Snapdrop or snapdrop.net. It's actually very decent. So you can just Google up Snapdrop, and you want to, basically go to Snapdrop on both devices. So go to Snapdrop here and on your iPhone, and then you're going to be able to go through and start uploading files, and then you can go through and start sharing those files out to other people. So you do have that type of capability here too. So that's kind of how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.